Welcome to Learn How To. Today, we're making a foolproof, ultra-creamy vanilla cheesecake. Whether you call it a cake or a tart, this dessert is a favorite. And we've got all the tips for a crack-free, picture-perfect cheesecake. Start with a springform pan. Grease it with nonstick spray or butter to ensure easy removal, and add a band of parchment paper for smooth sides. For the crust, mix graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Press it into the bottom of the pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8–10 minutes until golden brown. Let it cool. For the filling, use full-fat cream cheese. No reduced fat here. Cream cheese, sugar, and heavy cream make a rich batter. Room temperature ingredients mix smoothly, so plan ahead. Scrape the seeds from a vanilla bean for intense flavor. You can use vanilla extract, but the bean is unbeatable. Add eggs one at a time to keep the batter smooth. Don't overmix to avoid a dense texture. Prevent cracking with a water bath. Wrap your pan in foil, place it in a baking dish, and fill the dish with hot water. This creates a moist environment and keeps the cheesecake from drying out. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Instead of high heat, use steady, moderate heat to avoid cracks. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake sit for an hour to finish setting. If cracks do appear, cover them with a simple sour cream topping. Just mix sour cream, sugar, and vanilla. Bake it for 10–15 minutes until set. Cool the cheesecake at room temperature. Gently run a knife around the edge to prevent cracks, then chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight. To remove, unlatch the springform and peel off the parchment. For a smooth slice, dip your knife in hot water and dry it before cutting. Top with fresh berries and a berry coulis for a touch of elegance. And there you have it, a creamy, delicious cheesecake that's perfect every time. Cheesecake is always a hit, whether for a crowd or just for yourself. Try these tips, and you'll make the creamiest cheesecake of your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.